Yo, got my Dr. Dre instrumental playing in the background. I can't claim the rights to damn piece of instrumental, and we still, huh? Still take the time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. It's pursuit of freedom. Hey, so I done threw some levels on Dollar Tree. This is a continuation to the market to the masses thing. TC2000 is the software that you're looking at if you're brand new to this channel. This is a subject most people don't want to talk on, not necessarily talk on because I want to talk on it. Shit, I want to talk on it, but it ain't many people want to talk about it. But Dollar Tree, I know. But and I want to look at this one first, and the next one we're gonna talk about is Dollar General. As a matter of fact, let's talk about Dollar General first. Being that, yes, I'm glad that we got a dip in the chart, but look at the chart: 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. This chart here has been a tad bit more of the smooth sailing. Let's get all of these other charts out the way. Man, that's why TC2000 is beautiful. And I got my 1 minute intraday chart over here to the left, but that don't matter. Get that back out of there. Get that back out of there. A little bit of comedy from me. Hey. But if you done bought Dollar Tree back in, what's that? Look at that box. 10, 10, 20, 14. And you at these highs, look at the percentage. Look at that box. Yeah, that's 4 years. Have you been working for 4, 5 years? You could have been buying Dollar General for 4, 5 years. Look, did you see the percentage gains? Oh, shoot. 130% on your money. What about Dollar Tree? What about Dollar Tree? Now I'm anxious to see Dollar Tree. It's 2014 May to 2019 period. Do you see the gains in that box of 100% of your money? Now, if a bank set up today and they said we're offering our clients, which we the people got the power, we the people don't know that to the most part. We the people just want to be entertained in America. But I got other ideas on this thought that go further in depth with it. Because we, the people in America, make up a tiny ass percentage of the total globe. That's another subject for another day. But when I look at the two charts, Dollar Tree, you're looking at Dollar Tree right now, you just, excuse me, seen that box. 100% growth in 4 or 5 years. A bank can't offer you that. Let me go ahead and get these statistics out the way. Dollar General. Market cap, I'll always look at the market cap. And basically, I'm trying to give you at least my formula. I ain't the best. I ain't got much money. If I had more money, it'd be doing backflips. I'm talking about flip it, whip it real hard. Whip it real hard. Okay, that's a song. But market cap 36.15 billion for Dollar General. Market cap for Dollar Tree 26.05 billion. But these are large companies, right? Back to Dollar General. Let's come down here and look at the float. 244 million, that's Dollar General. Shares outstanding is a difference of 14 million. 58 minus 44 gonna leave you with 14. I ain't counting the decimal percentages in there. That's about 14 million in the difference. Now, what I don't like that I see is right there. Held by institutions, 104%. Now, my statistics professor a few years ago told me there was no such thing as 101, 102, 200%. It's only 0 to 100%. So how does a motherfucker own more than 100% of the company's float? That's because the total shares outstanding is different from the float and Dollar General. That it ain't no big problem, but that I'm having some problems with that. Because it's like, how can you own all of the shares? You got a 100% of the shares held by institutions. That means the public can't buy it. That means the public can't buy it. But the public can buy it. I guarantee you enter you an order right now for Dollar General at a price 139 up there. You see at the top of this here, you know what I'm saying? 139.95, you can get filled as long as there's a sale order there to sell you them shares. Okay, let's get down here to the balance sheet, the cash and the debt and the cash. I see that we got $10 billion in debt. Oh, shoot. Well, hey, I don't know what to say to that because 1 billion in cash would be a tenth of 10 billion in debt. So they are only 271 million in cash. That is a fourth of a tenth. Huh. So that's 40 times the debt to the cash. Huh. But Dollar Tree and Dollar General got brick and mortar everywhere. There should be, and I just kind of held that out for a reason. There should be more Dollar Trees and Dollar Generals in your city than Target, than Publix, than Walmart, than Piggly Wiggly. I don't know where you're at, so I'm just trying to name stores, some cities I don't know. Costco's, Sam's Clubs, Walgreens. You can do a little bit of shopping at Walgreens, even though I wouldn't, because their prices are elevated. Huh? I'm trying to market to everybody, not to the few people who want to go in there because they gonna go in there because they got a little bit of extra money to spend and they don't want to be in long lines and long crowds like the people who go to Target, Bougie, and Publix. Huh? And Publix gonna give you better produce than Walmart any day of the week, every day of the week. That's another subject for another day. I'm talking too long. I'm beginning to rant a little bit. I do that from time to time. Please forgive me. Okay, so Dollar Tree, 26 billion float, 234 held by institutions. Once again, institutions believe in Dollar Tree and Dollar General to a heavy degree. Almost the entire shares outstanding is owned by institutions. Why is that? Because your dollar goes further at Dollar Tree. Your dollar goes further at Dollar General. Oh yeah, it's the same monster conglomerates and corporations that's supplying the same stuff that you will find in Target Bougie and in Publix. Rob your pockets. It's the same stuff. It is the same stuff, but you're gonna pay more dollars at them other places. So you're gonna be around less people in the other places. You're gonna be around a particular person in those other places. People who got more money to spend. Huh? I'm talking about marketing to the masses. Okay, back to the chart, because that's where I like to spend my time. Huh? So what I'm noticing early is I threw some levels up here just to see if we got a tradable range. And I like Dollar Tree's chart much better than I like Dollar General. Dollar General, this is just smooth sailing to the upside. Now, I want to put out a warning out here because this market is at an all-time top. This bull market is older than 10 years. And if I know one thing about bull markets is that they last 10 years. You might be able to get 15 years out of a bull, but I already got the video. Shoot. I already got the video on a lazy ass bull. Where's that? Am I logged in? I am logged in. Let me click on that face up there. No smile involved with that face. This ish out here ain't worth smiling for sometimes, man. My channel. Where's that? Let me scroll back through some of these. The bull is lazy. I got one view on this lazy bull. I mean, this bull market that we seeing right now is lazy than the sunbit. The bull is tired. I put this video out there 2 weeks ago. I mean, and I noticed it's probably 3 months ago, 4, 5, 6 months ago. The bull is tired than the sun bitch. The day of the bear is coming. Man, who am I talking to? The day of the bear is coming. All right, let's get back to the chart. You know what I'm saying? And this Dollar General chart is just kind of smooth. You know what I'm saying? It's just smooth. So this is the easier buy out of the two. How long have I been yapping? I know I've been talking too long. I'm at 10 minutes. That's actually better timing than the last 4 times I've made this video. I'm just saying this because I be working on it. I be working on it. I ain't just trying to throw y'all garbage. You know what I'm saying? I be putting in work, people. I be putting in work, people. Huh? Listening to my instrumentals because sometimes the words to these songs ain't important. Hey, Biggie put it out there over a decade ago, well before he died. Money, hoes, and clothes. That's all a brother knows. I mean, he put it out there. Money, hoes, and clothes is all a brother know. Okay, that's another subject for another day. But this Dollar General chart is just smooth selling. You see that in 2017 to 2018, you got 90 something percent of your money from that chart. But me, being that I've studied traders, I like this chart much better. But the problem is, let's go look at some long term growth because uh, long term is what's in. Short term, I believe, is what's out. So my quick, let me go ahead on and get especially with a small account. Now my account was $25,000, $50,000. I would be trading every day of the week because you can always find a way to grow two, three, four, 5,000, 2,000, $7,000 in a day if you got the account size. But without the account size, you got to think slower growth. You got to think slower growth. But the problem I see is that this market is at a top and the numbers are false. The numbers are false. And I got to drop some videos on how these numbers are false, being that I'm talking about that. But these numbers are false. That jobs report that they just put out for June, and I'm going to speak on that just for a quick second in this video. See now, Dollar General. Let me try to get back on point. I be having so much I want to talk about, people. There's a lot that I want to talk about, but I don't want it to fall upon deaf ears and minds of people who are of the people. See, I don't read the good book all the time, but something that sticks in my mind from the good book is to be in the world, not of the world, and that's speaking to conformity. And most of our people just conform to the ways of the world because we want to be popular. We want to fit in. Me, I don't fit at all. Who am I talking to? But so Dollar General actually offers a dividend 32 cents, April the 8th, 2019. Okay, so January it was 29 cents, but they actually offer one. So that's the safer buy between the two, and that's because I've already looked at this. Dollar Tree, oh, well, wait a minute. Hold up. Hold up. Now, this is the chart that I would trade, but this is not the chart I would buy long term. So you got some decisions to make, people. Long term or short term. Both of these companies market to the masses. Both of these companies got stores on top of the stores in so many cities. Huh? Especially if you down here in Florida, like I is. And I see Dollar Tree, Dollar General everywhere, especially after the recession and during the recession. This was one of the only stores that I seen that would pop up. Dollar Tree, Dollar General. That speaks to me because I don't think that the poor and middle class ever left the recession. The rich did. The rich have gotten out of a recession, but I don't think that the poor and middle class folks, whether they realize it or not, had ever left the 2007 recession. All right, I'm gonna set my money up right now. You know what I'm saying? Because I know that that's gonna fall upon deaf ears. I know it is. But that's giving you food for thought. And that's all I really want to do with this entire channel. So if you find any of this information informative, I brought to you two new picks, Dollar General and Dollar Tree. I believe they market to the masses. I believe they both are great companies. One of them is more of the investment, one of them is more of the trade. And I like to look at both because I'm looking to long-term invest as well as trade. If you got any extra capital, you got to pay yourself first, but buy assets that are going up in value and not down in value, like the Chevy Impala that I just bought a few months back. That's going down in value. It's costing me all kinds of money. You heard me? No, I ain't got the fix on it, but I got to make these payments on it. That's just speaking a little more financial literacy into your life. Payments are the number one thing that take away from from your growth, from your generation of wealth potential. You can generate wealth. Wealth has to be paid for. But making payments on stuff that go down in value is the number one thing that takes away from you generating wealth. Holla at me. Who am I talking to? Okay, I've been talking for too long already, though. Hey, 15 minutes in, Dollar Tree, Dollar General. One has a dividend, one doesn't. You got a decision to make. I brought you some food for thought. If you find the information informative, give me the thumbs up. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. More videos on the way, baby.